If you've left your home at any point in the last couple of weeks, I probably don't need to tell you just how hot it's been outside.
I'm melting!
Temperatures across the US and right here in the greater Daytona Beach area have been absolutely scorching, with heat indexes in the 110s. This may have you thinking about maybe purchasing a home in a neighborhood that has a community pool. So whether you're a local who's looking for their next home here in the area, or maybe you're looking to relocate to the greater Daytona Beach area, I have the perfect video for you. Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 neighborhoods that have community pools that you may want to put on your list when you're looking for your next home here in the greater Daytona Beach area. So grab a cold drink and let's dive right in. First up is the 55 and better community of Latitude Margaritaville, located just off of LPGA Blvd right here in Daytona Beach. And let me tell you, their pool is nothing short of amazing. This resort-style pool has plenty of room for you to spread out and relax and enjoy the shade under the Tiki huts or cabanas. They even have tons of lawn games for you to play. Latitude also offers a shuttle bus for its residents to take to their own private beach club. Here you can relax oceanside, listen to the waves crash as you sit at the oceanfront pool with a margarita in your hand. Like Jimmy says, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Next on my list is the community of Venetian Bay. Venetian Bay is located in New Smyrna Beach, and you can get to it from 3 separate entrances. There are plenty of sub-communities within Venetian Bay as a whole, and some of these communities are going to have their own community pools. But if you do choose a home that does not have a community pool in your neighborhood, you will have the option to join the Venetian Bay Swim Club and Tiki Bar. This pool is definitely a resort-style pool as well, and they offer a large swimming pool, a hot tub, and a kiddie pool. They're also going to have tons of shaded areas for you to sit and relax. The Venetian Bay Swim Club and Tiki Bar also offer a ton of community events throughout the year, like karaoke, live music events, and more. Latitude Margaritaville and Venetian Bay are both enormous communities. So if you're looking for something that's maybe a little bit smaller, you're going to want to check out the neighborhood of Tuscany Woods. It's located right off of Strickland Range Road here in Daytona Beach. Their pool is centrally located within the community, making it really easy to walk, ride your bike, or drive your car up to enjoy this beautiful pool. You're going to have a large covered and shaded cabana area with plenty of seating, restroom facilities, and a large pavered pool deck with plenty of lounge chairs for you to enjoy. It's definitely a great way to stay cool in this heat. Now we're going to move on to some condominium communities. The first one that I want to share with you is Halifax Landing. It's located right on the Halifax River in South Daytona, and their pool is one of my favorites. They have a large riverfront pool that gives you some amazing views of the river. You might be able to see some manatees, dolphins, rocket launches in the evening, or some fireworks shows at night. They also have a hot tub, plenty of shaded seating, and a ton of loungers on their huge pool deck. They even have a really nice grilling area so you can entertain friends or family whenever you want. Last on my list is Harbor Village, located in Ponce Inlet. This place is absolutely amazing, and they have a ton of different pools for you to choose from. One of my favorite amenities here at Harbor Village is that they have their own private beach club for residents. It's just a short walk or golf cart ride away from your residence, and it has a smaller pool and hot tub that are both oceanfront that you can enjoy. They also have a ton of other pools sprinkled throughout this enormous complex, including indoor and outdoor pools that you can use depending on what area of the community that you live in. Each of the Lynx towers are going to have an indoor and outdoor pool, and if you go across the street, you're going to find some smaller pools sprinkled throughout that area, as well as an enormous riverfront pool that looks over their marina. If you're looking for a variety of pools, Harbor Village definitely has you covered. So what do you guys think? Do any of these pool communities interest you? Let me know in the comments below which one of these looks the most inviting. If you do have any questions about the communities that I've covered in this video, or you'd like to learn more about other communities with pools, make sure to visit me on our website, homesofdaytonabeach.com, to connect. I can walk you through the details of purchasing a home here in the greater Daytona Beach area and share all of those communities that have the pool of your dreams. You can also browse tons of blog posts and search available inventory here in our area. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, or share. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.